Hello you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. Thank you so much for joining. So if you guys have been with me for a while, you know I love doing monthly favorites, and to give back to you guys, I am doing a giveaway every month with my monthly favorites. So stay tuned to figure out what that product is. All of the details of the giveaway will be linked in the description box, so make sure you follow those correctly. This will be US only for the giveaway, just because this product is only carried in the US. So good luck, and all of the products will be linked in the description box that I mentioned today. So the first product I want to mention is what I'm wearing, and it's this cute camel bodysuit. And you guys, as of lately, I have just really been into basics. I love good neutral basics, so I thought this would be perfect for me. I needed some new tops, like everyday kind of tops that you can dress up, dress down, and this is perfect. So it is this camel color bodysuit. I'm not wearing the right bra with it, but whatever, my hair covers it. It's a camel colored bodysuit. It comes in a few different colors, like neutral colors, but I loved this camel color. Perfect for fall, perfect if you just like a neutral, skin tone kind of color. This bodysuit kind of reminds me of a Skims dupe. I know that's one of the main things she sells, are these bodysuits that are kind of in neutral colors. So this is a great alternative. It was like $22 on Amazon, and I really love it. The quality is amazing. It's like this satiny material. It's so comfy to wear. It's double lined, so you're not going to have any bulginess or anything like that. It's so cute, and I absolutely love it, and I think it's going to be perfect for fall. So yeah, definitely check this one out. It comes in a few different colors, but I love a good camel color. The next thing I want to mention is this workout set. So you guys, I've been trying to get back into the gym. Since I've already had COVID, I feel comfortable being back in the gym, but honestly, just working out at home or anything like that, it always motivates me when I have a cute little outfit. But I really did need some new gym clothes. I'm trying to go to the gym 5 days a week to get back into the groove of things, and I was running through my gym clothes, and so I wanted to pick up some new things to kind of reward myself, treat myself to the fact that I'm going back to the gym. So I picked up this really cute set from Amazon, and this was like $23. So get on it before they raise their price, because I have a feeling they will. So it's got these pants with cutouts, and the cutouts like this really emphasize like a curvy hourglass shape. So I was really excited to get these, and it came with this cute little sports bra. If you have a bigger chest, this is definitely a great sports bra for you, because it does have like this mesh material that goes all the way up to the neck. So it is very full coverage, which I prefer, especially in the gym. I'm not typically the type of girl to go to the gym and just wear a sports bra and leggings. I'm not there with my body yet, and I prefer wearing like a covering myself up when I'm working out, just to make it comfortable. But this is a different story, because this sports bra combined with the leggings doesn't really show any of your stomach, maybe like a little inch, but you can pull it up enough so it's not going to show, and that's what I feel most comfortable with. I don't really want my whole stomach being out when I'm working out. So I like this a lot. I thought it was super cute. This mesh, you really can't see any cleavage under it. It's sexy for sure, but it's also fully covered up, so it's something I feel comfortable working out in just as a set itself, no top over. All right, so next let's just get into the giveaway, and that is these magnetic eyelashes by Airshine. You guys, I've talked about these so many times on my channel. I sound like a broken record, but I absolutely love them, and I reuse them, and I've worn them 50 plus times, and they're still going strong. So I am wearing them today. So these are the more dramatic set, but it does come with a natural and dramatic set. Let me open it up. So it comes with a total of 5 eyelashes. I'm wearing one, and I think I lost 2. They might be in my car somewhere, but I really love these. So it's gonna come with 3 sets of these dramatic ones, and then 2 sets of these more natural ones. I'm not gonna lie, these natural ones really don't add a whole lot. Like, they're about the same length as my regular lashes, so it just makes them look a little bit more full. But it's definitely like an everyday eyelash, which is really nice, especially if you like wearing eyelashes every day. This is a really great kit because it comes with both the drama and the natural ones. It comes with 2 eyeliners. The eyeliner is magnetic, and then there's magnetic bands on the eyelash, so they pop right onto each other. So this kit is about like $25, and that does seem a little expensive, but when you take into consideration the fact of how many times you can reuse these, it is actually a steal, you guys. Typically, I would say a nice pair of eyelashes like these ones that I'm wearing would typically cost what? $7 to $10 for one pair. So you're getting 3 in this kit, plus they are so much more reusable. You know, typically the glue on the band always gets a little funky, and after maybe 5-7 times you have to throw it out. But with this, since there's no glue involved, it doesn't mess up the band, it doesn't get dirty. All you have to do is every once in a while wipe off the magnet and it's good as new. So I have had absolutely no issues with them flying off, falling off. If you haven't washed off the band in a while, it might be harder to connect the inner corner, but make sure you're using 1, enough eyeliner, and 2, cleaning off those magnets, and you will be good to go. I swear by magnetic eyelashes. They're so easy. You don't have to wait for glue to dry. They're so beginner friendly compared to using glue and strip lashes, and they're much more comfortable because you're not gluing the entire band to your eye. There's just 5 magnets that are very flexible and connect on no problem. So I absolutely love these magnetic eyelashes, and if you want to enter to win, all you have to do is leave me a comment with like your social media handle or an email address, some way for me to contact you. Like this video and subscribe, and you will be entered to win, and I will pick someone October 1st. So the whole month of September is open to enter. So good luck, and let's move on to the next one. So you guys, one day I was going out, and I was out for literally like the whole day from like noon to midnight, and I just noticed I did not smell good. It wasn't like a BO smell, but it wasn't a good smell. And so I kind of was like, okay, maybe it's time I retire my deodorant and try something new. And I've been wanting to move to natural deodorant just to clean up my product line. So I picked up this deodorant by Love Beauty and Planet. It's in this rose, and it smells so amazing, you guys. I love how it smells. I'm not gonna lie, you do have to reapply this every 2 or 3 hours, especially when you are moving from a strong deodorant to a natural deodorant. There is going to be kind of a process of having to apply it every few hours, and then your body will eventually get rid of all of those toxins under your arms, and it will be easier, and you won't have to use this as frequently. But that's kind of where I'm at. So I'm applying it every 2 or 3 hours. I don't notice any BO smell, but you know, after a few hours it doesn't smell so fresh. But eventually I think that this is all I will need to use. I won't need to use a super strong deodorant. Before I was using the Lady Speed Stick, and if you guys know anything about that, it's super cheap, one, but it's also very, very strong. So when I first started using it, I smelled amazing all day. I was like, yes, I finally found the deodorant that makes me smell good. But after 3 or 4 years of using it straight, I have a lot of buildup of stank in my armpits or something like that, a lot of chemical buildup. So I'm trying to get rid of that. I'm not using it as much anymore. You know, I am using it every once in a while if I have a full day out. But this is the perfect time now during quarantine when you should transition into a natural deodorant, because you know, you might be at home, you might not be around people as much. So transitioning to a natural deodorant right now is a perfect time. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I have really been loving this. This smells amazing. I want to get the whole product line because it smells so good. And I definitely want to try the other scents as well. And this claims to have 24-hour odor protection. Girl, no, it does not. I would say 3 hours. I'd bring it in your purse if you have a long day, no lie, but it has no harsh ingredients, which is really what's important to me now more than ever. So I have really been liking this. It's just gonna it's gonna be a process moving to it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any natural deodorants that you swear by, because I would like to try some more. I know some natural deodorants have made me like get a rash under my armpits, which is really painful, but really been liking this. But if you guys have any recommendations for something that lasts a little bit longer, hit your girl up in the comments. So my sister is moving to LA next week, and so I wanted to make sure she was suited up and protected. You know, that's just the big sister in me. I worry a little bit about my sister being halfway across the country and me not being able to drive over and go pick her up if I needed to. So I wanted to make sure when she's, you know, either walking at night or, you know, walking alone, she has a way to arm herself and protect herself. So I got this little alarm that hooks onto your keychain. All you have to do is pull this and it will make a loud beeping alarm noise. So All you have to do is pull it off the keychain and it will start beeping, and that will help let other people know maybe you're in distress or need some help, or you know, it will scare off someone maybe attacking you. You know, you should always have something on your keys to protect yourself. I think it's so important, especially, you know, if you live alone or if you walk in a parking ramp alone or walk home a lot. Having a way to protect yourself is super important, and I really liked this one. It's called the Haymate alarm system. It's got a little light on it, which is also really nice in case you're walking home alone in the dark. And then it also comes in a pack of 3, which is great. I think these were like $11 total. So, you know, keep a few extra on hand, give them to your friends, give them to your family. It's always just great to have a way to protect yourself. You don't need to purchase batteries. Everything comes as is and works immediately. You just have to pull a little tab out of it and it starts working. So definitely find a way to protect yourself, whether it's pepper spray, an alarm, a little knife, whatever it might be. Find something to protect yourself just in case something might ever happen. Next on the lineup, I have been really trying to get my skin back in order. Girl, she's going crazy. But I have been noticing that I really like Korean brands when it comes to their skincare because it's very gentle and soft and adds a lot of moisture back into your life, which is what I want. And so my friend recommended to me that I start double cleansing. So you take your makeup off with coconut oil or makeup remover, whatever you use, and then you go in with a cleansing oil. And this is the Mo cleansing oil. It's a Korean brand again, so I can't read anything off of this, but it says speeding cleansing oil, selected treatment oil. So after I take my makeup off, I get about 2 pumps of this, put it on my face, and really break down any last little bit of dirt or makeup or oil, and this has been so nice. It makes my skin so soft after I use it, and it really helps take off that little bit of stuff that you missed from removing your makeup. So I really, really like this. It has no scent to it. It's very gentle, but it has been making a big change in my face. It's really been helping with any scarring, any dry patches, and any acne. It's helping me clean my face a lot better. And after I go in with the cleansing oil, then I go in with a traditional cleanser and work that in. Typically my traditional cleanser has like salicylic acid or a little bit stronger ingredients to help fight my acne, and then I'll just go in with a moisturizer. But adding this new step of cleansing oil in between removing your makeup and cleansing has really been a game changer. So I love this a lot. And my last and final product is a little weird, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, you're probably like, girl, we don't really care. But I have been really liking this Mr. Clean Freak multi-purpose deep cleaning mist. This has been really great for cleaning up my apartment. It gets super dusty in here. The ventilation system is so dusty. Like, I had to close the vent in my room because the air would go onto my vanity, and my vanity's white, and every few days it would just, there'd be like black specks and a bunch of dust on top of my vanity, which grossed me out. I think I need some sort of like air purification system in here. So if you guys have a good air purifier, let me know, because I might need to pick one up, especially not opening up the windows so much, and as it transitions into colder months, I'm definitely gonna need something so that I can run my heat and everything like that. But that was a whole tangent. This is really nice. It's super strong, so it's not an everyday cleaner, but if you like to deep clean your house every week or so, this is a great one. I just go run it along every surface in my house: kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room. Put it on every surface, kind of let it do its own thing, because the longer you let this sit, the more work it can do on its own and the less arm work you gotta do. So run it along your entire house, then go wipe everything down, and it smells amazing. It smells like lavender. I don't typically like lavender, but it smells really good. I like it. And it's just a really good cleaner. It's a good multi-purpose cleaner that I use pretty much throughout my entire apartment, and it has worked so far. It comes in a few different scents. I wish I would have got the lemon one, but since we're in the middle of a pandemic, pretty much all cleaning stuff is like sold out, so this was the only one that was left, but I really have been liking it and it works super well. I don't know, I'm kind of a weirdo and clean freak, and I like seeing what people use for cleaning in their house, and it really motivates me to really clean up a place if I have all new cleaning materials. So if I know I have to like do a deep clean, I might treat myself and go get some more cleaning stuff, but that's just the weird OCD in me. But yeah, you guys probably don't care. So yeah, that's about all I have for my favorites this month. Again, my giveaway will be open all September, and then I will pick someone October 1st. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll be reaching out to someone. I have just reached out to the person who won the September favorites, so congrats to them. But I hope you guys all have an amazing month and stay healthy and safe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.